Scaling a fashion brand requires more than just a creativity. It requires a manufacturing partner who can handle volumes, manage timelines, be thorough with the compliances, and at the same time deliver on the results. And this is the private label program by Hula Global. Growing brands eventually hit a wall. Small vendors can't scale. Timeline slips, quality drops, margins shrink. Compliance becomes mandatory and often burden. Our private label program gives you enterprise level manufacturing across India, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. You get high volume capacity, multi factory network, predictable timelines, strict quality control systems, sample and bulk consistency, cost alignment, compliance documentation, and a dedicated production manager. So, who is this private label program designed for? Our private label program is designed for established brands, retailers who need structured, reliable, monthly, and seasonal production. The core features of our private label program are as follows. We have pre-production planning, cost optimization, production calendars, material planning, custom label and packaging, quality control at multiple stages, including the pre, during, and post-production, final inspections, documentations, and also door-to-door logistics support. We operate like your extended production department. Brands working with us have seen lower lead time failures, higher consistency, smoother scaling, better margins, and the most importantly, predictable supply chain. Some commonly asked questions when it comes to our private label program are, what are your MOQs? Our MOQs differ from product to product, so it would depend on your particular SKU, but usually we cannot go down under 100 pieces per SKU. On an average for private label program, they hover between 500 to 2000 pieces per SKU. But we also look at MOV, so we don't do anything less than a container load when it comes to our private label program. Do you offer custom development? Absolutely. As a private label supplier, we take care of everything from your labels, your trims, your packaging, your fabrics, your stitching, your sizing. Anything and everything that you need can be customized according to your brand's specification. The only thing you have to do is that you provide us the correct tech packs and the samples. Can you handle fast fashion? We have a dedicated, in fact, there are more than one factory in our network that we have dedicated only for fast fashion. So yes, we welcome fast fashion brands to participate in our private label program as well. Do you support multiple countries? At the moment, we are just servicing US, Canada, UK, Europe, Australia, and to some extent Middle East via Dubai. So these are the geographies that we are currently servicing. If something changes, we can let you know. So just remember to contact us. The link is below in the description and we will connect with you. If you are scaling and you are looking for a serious manufacturing partner, our private label program is just the right program for you. Submit your details in the inquiry form below and our team will get in touch with you for the next steps.